music's probably like twice as loud. Yeah, now it's better. Let's get the, there we go, there's the stream link. Got that copped. What? Copy video URL. There you go. Everyone, hello. Welcome guys. I'm just posting the stream link around, and then we're gonna be like short stream, like ask questions. Like if you have a question, just ask it, because that's probably the most use the stream is gonna be for. Like, okay, long story short, I am like completely headached out. Really long day. I'm thinking very slow. Published for Patrons. Am I about to ping a bunch of people? I am, and I just did. Hype for the 1.18 release. I am hyped for it as well. 6 people already, I didn't even ping yet. Thank you guys for like jumping in so quickly. Let's join in. I fixed a couple of stuff. Like the timeless 50 pistols. The STI and timeless 50. The optic would like glitch out. I fixed enchantment rendering for the side rail items. So they work properly now. Right, because we don't have to check for these. Actually, what we should... I think we just check if an extended mag is equipped for most guns. Yeah, if anyone has questions, probably best time for like a Q&A. I'll be around. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else we need to add to the next update for 1.18. Like, I still want to fix Curios. Like, reloading from rigs doesn't really work too well. It's pretty spotty. So I'm going to try to fix that. And keybinds. I think I have an idea how to fix those as well. It doesn't really work too well. Yeah, so let's try to fix those. How's everyone else doing? I talk about myself too much. How y'all doing? Good day? I hope it was a good day. Also, if you guys like don't see the game or something, just tell me, because you're supposed to be able to see the game. We also need to add more config for 1.18. Trying to think if there's anything specific that is broken. Oh, also my room's a mess. I had to look for something today. I completely turned my room upside down looking for it. I think like glass on the coyote site probably needs to be removed. Yeah, that needs to be removed. So we removed glass on a bunch of scopes as well. I think I did that today or yesterday. So it actually solves lots of shader issues. It will be re-added when we are 1.18 only, and we just focus on 1.18. We'll re-add glass, make it work better, have like more effects like that have to do with the glass and all that good stuff. No, I'm just, what do you call it? I'm just trying to polish up what needs to be done. So I think we can get like, one of the things that I need to get on right away is like keybinds. You still can't set keybinds in 1.18, and I did not hear back from the guy who added the new system. I mean, the new system should help Diamonds and Classics, where it allows us to like have all the buttons we need specific for the gun without Minecraft interfering. The problem is now we need to actually save. We need to save those damn keybinds, like you see clear, and then we have to save. So we can reset keybinds, but we can't like, what do you call it? Well, let's just make sure that I'm in 1.18. Yes, I am. So I think like every time we like click like on key input, and then I need to check like what screen is open. So like, what do you call it? If, let me see, we have this over in like the main mod code somewhere. I'm not gun item, not attachment slot. That's fine, that's fine. Have this somewhere in our main code. We pretty much check if a certain screen is open. I'm trying to remember where it would be. Recipe, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, there's also a glitch. In 1.18, when you try to craft something, it only returns like, I suppose that should be TaC workbench, but we'll see if that breaks anything. All right, no, so that's actually just not the spot where all the cool stuff is. We have somewhere, I need to remember where the hell it is. Pretty much whenever you open the video settings screen, it'll add, I mean, I'm guessing it should be like, come on, here it is, screen. So it should be TaC settings screen. We should know when it opens that save clicker thing. So yeah, every tick. Can we just do the same here, where it's like, oh, we don't need to care about priority, just client ticket event. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to save all the keys like per tick, only client side, and that's like when the screen is open. So we have in the settings screen here. This should only pop up when they're doing client handler. So yeah, on screen init.post. Okay, so we can do the cool stuff here. So we can subscribe here. Actually, on screen init. So it'll add this button and then the button. Okay. So it's not ever going to be this. It's not going to be pause screen, it's going to be control screen. Actually, is there a way that we can continuously check? I think we can do like Minecraft.Ganiston's screen. The screen extend like screens. Cause I want like the GUI screen. I don't want like local player dot like GUI on item GUI. What the hell could that be? Minecraft would have the spyglass is technically a GUI, just like a zoomed in GUI. Oh, that's kind of neat. Don't care though. So I just want to see like if there's a way to like get screen. It's currently open. This is probably like the one thing that like Copilot would be useful. GitHub Copilot would be useful from. Because like it probably could find anything that's like related to screen or open GUI by player and it could get something sort of like useful. Now I need to kind of like half scroll this. I don't even have it. Like I don't see it. Pain in the butt. Standing height. There's a lot of height stuff. Maybe it's more possible to add like leaning now in 1.18. I know there's a lot of new rendering and hitbox manipulation. I wonder if this is possible. Ooh. Not a statement. Is this possible? Oh, that is possible. That's kind of neat. Okay, so we can't do that. How's everyone doing, by the way? I know there's not many people, as much people as before. Man. Oh, man. Let's think. So if the screen is currently control screen, then we need to just freaking not restore. I want to clear. Just save. Read from update mappers. I mean, do we even have like a way to just save everything? Like I know we have save too. Flag. Like in my opinion, like per tick, we just need to update, and then where is file picked up from? Clear keybinds. So when we press this, input handler clear keybinds. Oh, look at this on GUI change. Oh, wait, that's how the hell we save it? Wait, what? Clear keybinds, restore keybinds. Oh, so when we enter the control screen, we try to restore it, but then when we do clear, how is that supposed to work? That's a pain in the butt. Why do we do that? Where's actually the code for all this? Like just scroll past it. Mappers, what the fuck? Is in client handler. Previous screen. Screen open event. I think screw this. Working on it. There's gonna be I'm trying to fix all the current bugs that's in it. Cause I want the next release to be not more official, but more bug free, more problem free. Currently, you can't even switch your keybinds, which is a kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm trying to find a better way to save keybinds so we can just like adjust them when needed. And clear keybinds is from here actually, which means keybinds file. Where is this defined? Init keys, blah 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 blah. Pretty sure I can do here. Is there like instance I need to get set up? Let's get a like, what is it? Like local. I don't know what it's supposed to be. So like player. Like I just want to check out the player dot game. Can't get game profile. Seriously? Alive. Oh, wait, crap, because then you have to change them. Okay. You know what? Screw it. This should load by the time we get to this tick event. So let's try it. This should all be client side. Nice and chill. See my arms. Sorry, pretty late stream too. I don't have much to talk about. I mean, I had like a hugely busy day, but like, it's not related to TaC. I heard like an extra sound. I got so confused. Oh crap! We still need to remove the coyote glass. I still forgot. Okay, let's try to set those controls. Ooh. Keybinds. Still didn't even set it. See, maybe we'll get an error this time. That's why I dropped it. Okay, crazy. Packet listener. Yeah, added the timeless 50s a little bit ago. They're completely done now. They're like amazing. Timeless 50s are my favorite, and it's not just because there's an orange variant. It is because I just really like them. I have a feeling I know what's happening though. Unknown identified TaC play. Alright. This be. Hey, what the hell? Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Phew, we need to find this somewhere. It's somewhere in common, I think. Crap. Server play handler. No, it's like for the logger and all that crap. Tooling, no. Floodlight source, no. It's somewhere in common, I swear. Network gun manager, projectile manager, somewhere. Has to do with like a packet. Like we're sending this packet when we try to save it, I think. So like whenever I change the button, it like freaks out. Network, packet handler. Wow, it's completely different now. TaC play channel, protocol version, handshake channel. Handshake channel. Ooh, that is one absolute mess. I'm gonna check if we had anything in 1.16 different here, because this could also be spawn of another problem. Post one live. So it's guns, network. We have actually more network. Common state box. Handshake, handler, handshake messages. Do we all just put it into one? That's gonna be kind of crazy. Maybe we don't need the handshake channel, that's why it's removed. Oh, framework API probably puts this. That makes, okay. I see. What the hell we have to do? So pull them login. Okay, well that's like server crap. Well, I shouldn't really care. This should kind of just be handled. I shouldn't need to like mess with that, but then this crap. Failed to load metadata for a bunch of crap. I mean, sure. Oh wow! Don't take my screen, please. Is there just any errors? Like errors. The error with mixin that doesn't work. Keybind does not exist. That's just one of them. Blah 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 blah. Son of a. All right. So I'm still running the game, right? So I can literally open. Where's the damn thing? Should be like in config. I'm pretty sure we dump it. Yep. So let's change reload to L or something like that, since we could see reload. So reload, I'm going to make L. Conflicts with something with a development key. Oh, come on. B. Okay, B. Unused. So I set and I press done. Reload, but it's the same thing. So it's not actually like, it doesn't actually change the registry here. Keybind 4, Keybind 4, and Keybind. It's in Keybind itself. I didn't avoid conflicts. Right, so when we like register each keybind, it's like none at first, and then we populate it with values as we load the game. Hello, welcome, welcome. Thinking. So it reads just fine, I'm pretty sure, because those keys probably would never exist without it. Let's say global keys, update mapper. So it clears this map for some reason. Get each code from the group. Then it puts it in this map. So what do we need to do with this map after? Do we use this map? Why the hell? No, that's something to check more in 1.16, because I don't think that I don't know why that guy would freaking. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Do that. Why would you do that? Let's just 3 uses here. Global mapper 1. And then okay. When they okay, now I see. So yeah, you get it here. Mouse input, you get it. Get the button for each down. Yeah, I mean, I see that. Keybinds file. It doesn't exist here. Read from it. So yeah, again, it's reading from it just freaking fine, but I won't ever actually do anything with it. So what it gets. Store keybinds. Or aim keys. So it could be aim or told. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Keybind registry. So for every keybind in the current registry, that reloaded. Yeah, we loaded that. Restore keybind. This keybind, that's a key good. Restore keybind doesn't even exist. Wait, what? Wait, what? Where the hell? Oh, of course, I'm looking at input handler. That's all in fucking keybind. Lovely. What am I working on? I am trying to fix keybinds again. They are broken, they shouldn't be broken, and it's, you know, rather important for one of the 18 to have it. So, back to building it. I don't want to just fix it. I don't really want to rebuild the whole thing. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Yeah, keybind not fine. Did I get another missing? Yeah. That doesn't matter. So I should just, yeah, it should just work. Clear keybinds I literally removed. Keybind in registry. Okay. Always add flags. Okay, so it's a bitwise check. Okay. Actually, one name keys, but it's pound. Oh, okay, sure. Or reset mapping is probably what's set all. Yeah, that's all we're missing. It's like supposed to be something like super duper dumb. Key mapping, all that values. That. It's weird that we don't set using key mapping. Keybind. Oh, we probably do this in the keybind file. I should open that just alongside input handler. I don't know why I don't. I'm pretty sure I switch it here without all this white space. Why don't we? Because I mean, another option is that we update it in Minecraft and then it just gets reset, and then we also don't save it to our own or try to load it from our own. I have 2 Minecrafts loaded, which is cool. That wasn't part of the plan. Yeah. I don't think the, what do you call it, keybinds are going to work very well, so I probably should blow up the other instance. Alright, let's upload the other instance. I already see like Minecraft's like barely moving. Absolutely barely moving. Actually, why is the world taking so long to load? I corrupt the whole thing. Damn. It'll be pretty funny. It's taking its sweet booty time. Oh, it's aim hold now. Is that what I had it before? I do not remember. Keep it, maybe. Nope. So, like, why not? What the hell is the freaking problem? So I have this, right? So I'm not even gonna exit the menu. Minecraft still shows it. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna click on Jason, and now I'm gonna have aim toggle is unknown. Aim hold is still right. This should like refresh. So what's it currently at? It's on aim toggle now. So I'm going to exit the control screen. I'm still like there. And it's still an aim hold. So it's also not saving. Still. Okay. Key mapping, keybind is our own thing, key modifier is a forge thing, keyboard, key event, key press, key input, it's all events, keybind component is a chat, key binding map. What's here? Sir, that's because in 1.18 you are unable to change the binds entirely. That is the bug I am working on currently. Hey, there's actually a keybind screen we can use. So if it's the screen's on a keybind screen, then we can update mappers and try to save into the keybinds file. Or maybe don't even do this part for now. Just try to get it to freaking work. Let's see. Think of where else. Like I know that's like key mapping is where it all the magic happens in Minecraft. And there's like all these categories. Like I don't care about these categories. Like misc. Then I press dot. And it's like a bunch of characters or some shit. Like it's just names. What does release all do? Release set down. Click count false. That all it literally all it does. So it's supposed to be something that like gives all these keys hashes. I mean, let's look internally. Click set release all, release reset mapping. So this is supposed to just, yeah, clear map. So it's supposed to just break everything. Is down da 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 ba 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 ba. That's funny. Is unbound matches mouse get translated key is default safe string. Convenience. So yeah, you can also create new key mappings, which is how we sort of do it. Set key modifier encode, but we don't have a key modifier. But I do like to actually, you know, set the key properly. Do we need like a category? Category sort order. No, it just adds our own category from where we init keybinds, which is an input handler. They'll show up anyway. Kill Minecraft for now. I need to restart anyway next time I do a major change. Keybind screen, save to every time. Again, I'm just gonna search like no errors. Unable to delete sort of like logs. Unable to delete log, whatever. Whatever. What the hell? From null stuff to its default. Nothing for keybinds yet. I was like, pain's immense. I wonder if there even is like a hash that we have to worry about anymore. We can just blow this up. Just update every time, in my opinion. Like it doesn't. And where it was clear keybinds, it was here. Oh no, it's probably. How was it? It was a client? If it was client only, it would be somewhere down here actually. Oh, well, I probably blew it up. Alright, we'll see this in source. And then it's gonna be. I wasn't on GUI change, so I can do that. Whatever, I can just. Keep buying screen, so we can do this instead. It'll force it. Wait, clear key. Like this is what's so worrisome. It will clear keybinds when the previous screen instance of then restore. I mean, as long as it's like I need to make sure that this actually saves it. So flag false. Oh, we don't use it. But the whole thing needs to be updated every time anyway. That's the biggest problem I have. Maybe it's a logical error in 1.16. Maybe 1.16 also is like completely bugged out, like the latest versions. Let's get amazed. Now all of a sudden the keybinds are gonna work and I'm gonna be happy. Done. I'm gonna click out. We're gonna first see the JSON at least contains it. Something got updated. Aim hold unknown. Wait a second. Wait a second. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, it's toggle aim. Okay, I go back. Why the fuck is it like this? Wait, what? Why the what? Wait. Flag false. If key. They to use this bitwise operator. So what is this checking? If flag to do keybind clear keybind, what does this return? Sets its code to this. Key code. So it gets the key. So return false if it hasn't changed. If it has changed, then we set its key code to this. Push it forward. We change this to true. Okay. And its key is within the keybind registry, so that should both be references. So everything here should now be like trued up. But then, oh, if it's already true, it's not going to go back to false. Bitwise. I am the engineer. Okay, so it would not flip off of true is what he's trying to do. I think that's the wrong way around because it's going to be like, oh, it's already false, so don't set it to true. I think that's what's happening. Final key, blah, 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 blah. Yes, we will. Key none. I'm a bit lost. It's just a temp, just to make sure that, okay, we're just checking if it's like, if it equals unknown. Oh, if they both equal unknown, then find one of them, and then say that it's true. Fucking update it whenever it needs to be updated. Like, I swear it's this. I swear this is the problem. Like, this does not matter. Can clear, just to make sure. It doesn't matter. What I do need to test is to make sure that when we like exit the screen, so I'm going to go here, we shouldn't be able to unload. So yeah, I'm still unable to reload. I mean, excuse me, unload. So I'm going to now first close the world, open the world, try again, which is like, I mean, I shouldn't do anything. The biggest thing is relaunching the entire game to make sure that it doesn't reset all those keybinds back to default. And it reloads what is in the JSON file. Okay, I still can't unload, which is what I set it to. Let's check. Still toggle. These are that you see reset buttons. I mean, I should make unload like M. or something. There you go, pressing M unloads. Cool. Think, think. And that guy should be super dead. What? What? There you go. So now let's restart the entire game, and then let's make sure that it takes that key. It needs to take all of these keys at once. So I should see M somewhere. So M for M, great. Unload. Oh, unloads on the very top. It's M. Hopefully it actually reads this file. Now, if it reads this file, then I fixed the keybind glitch, and it was a logical error, which is why I started to worry. I'm just gonna plug in. So I have the most complicated phone charging setup. I have my work laptop plugged in via power, which then, while it is in hibernate, it has USB power pass through. I need to actually replug my phone now. There you go. Now it's charging. So it passes power through, but it needs to at least turn on once and then go to hibernate while it's plugged in and charging. So if I unplug my laptop, it will stop charging my phone. If I unplug my phone, it'll stop charging my phone till the laptop turns on again. Right now it's actually... well, the screen's not black, but the screen is also not displaying a picture, which is great. So that's gonna be fun to deal with on Monday. Oh, the screen's low. There you go. Good morning, laptop. Now you go back to sleep. Please discharge my phone for the evening and night. M is still unload. And make sure that everything's working as normal. I mean, it seems to work just fine. Just to make sure, I'm gonna load up a server. In our development environment, we have a way to load up the server. So I'm gonna load up a server and I'm gonna test it to make sure that it doesn't cause any issues, like accidentally sending a packet to the server requesting for like keybinds or something fucking stupid. Alright, let's also, while the server loads, let's look into fixing somewhere with crafting, so it should be in common. Okay, let's check if there's TaC. So it should be recipes like here. Yeah. So 50 BMG. Result. Who gives a result? Alright, so there's a JSON syntax attempt to get the count. It'll just set it to 1 from JSON. Okay. That looks kind of weird. 1.18 server though. I've never actually used this. Never used 1.18 servers before. %16 free. 25%. Oh, 25% free. I thought it was the other way around. 25% memory consumed. 200 something gigabytes used. No, that's crazy. From networks, blah 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 blah. Read bytes to network. Wait, gets a byte at the current. Increase the reader index by 1. Shouldn't the int be like 4? So it shouldn't be like this. What? Okay, what? Ingredient from network. So it's gonna pull that. Okay, but then I have this buffer. Read var int, which is the size. probably try that. Let's just try to test if the keybinds work properly when on a server. It should like never, there should never be any like effect, but just to make sure. Also, DR off. No sound? What the hell? Why is there no gunfire sound? There's a reload sound. Oh, maybe Neko changed the sound for the specific gun. Really? Okay, well, missing a sound for that. That's great. So we also have another bug. Pretty sure Neko spawned that one. Don't blame it on me. I didn't blow it up. And I pressed M, which is the button I set. Alright, and now let's go back to hold aim and then unload. We'll put back on U. Scope zoom. Call unload. So that Koki, I think it's like alt by default. So it's like, what is it? Alt-R. Alt-R works for unloading as well. And then I can press U. Alright. I mean, it's like cool because it's finally working, but it's also like super basic. It's literally keybinds. So it should have been working since day one, but oh well. Hey, don't look at me. It was it worked in 1.16, which I'm starting to think is something magical for the reason that it worked in 1.16. Because this issue seems to be purely logical. It doesn't flip off of false no matter what. If it's true, it's already false, and it's pretty much, I think that piece of code with the bitwise operator is pretty much trying to say, I want false. Like, what do you call it? Everything that's false could just set it to false again. I spent so much time trying to get that, but that was stupid. Whatever, it works now. I don't care about like saving to the JSON file a bunch of times over and over. It's like not multi-threaded, it's sequential anyway, so you can like, you know, keep setting this to be like nothing's gonna ever happen. You can reset all these keys and then go back, put the U, and it's gonna work just fine. Whatever. Okay, that works. Great. Another thing working TaC. Let's try to fix workbench crafting, which also is broken. I have a feeling it could be this. If it's not this, I know it can be. Yeah, get as int. So maybe we already have it back to int. So let's see if this works. Yeah, we're running as client. I'm pretty sure it has something to do with like the serialization. I'm pretty sure like the actual crafting code, like its responses. It's like recipe builder. I mean, I don't care. Get all collection recipe manager. Whatever. Recipe build. Oh. Ow, my eyes. They burn. The recent alphas already have an RPG. And we have had grenades the entire time. We just don't have flash grenades right now because the flash grenades from the base mod that we branched from was like, they were like just really boring. There was like no actual gameplay around it. You get flash and you're dead. And there's like, you don't even know if there's a flash grenade being thrown and blah blah blah. It could be better. Alright, let's try to replicate, if not, have the workbench already fixed. Or maybe I like break the whole thing and it like blows up horrendously. Still, I need to get Neko to change these recipes because it just does not work. So ammo. Oh, gunpowder is also a thing. You know, maybe shooting a gun means you need gunpowder. Damn. Can I have guessed? Alright, let's craft 45 bullet. I don't know, man. 45 is like 45. I don't know, man. It kind of just did it, man. Christ. Let's try on a server. And if it works, I'm mad because I just fixed it in a ultra super fast instant. I swear it was literally like the get byte method, which literally is getting 1 byte while an integer needs 4. Like, maybe yours screwed that up. Whatever, I found it. It's fine. Fixed. Cool. Bugs. We all make bugs. I make bugs. I make more bugs than you guys think, by the way. I break a lot of things, just for the hell of it. Just for the hell of it, I break lots and lots and lots of things. I mean, it would be funny. Flash grenades, technically, like, they're really non-lethal. The only way you can really get harmed is, like, if you held onto it, maybe. Because it does have, like, it has to pop, like, reactive elements. And those reactive elements generate lots of heat, so you can probably get burning. That's funny. I don't know. Probably, like, what I want to do with the flash grenade is, like, have a way to counter it. So, like, maybe you can shoot it or something. You can hit it a couple times, deal a certain amount of damage. You would, like, break it instead of blowing up and flashing you. Maybe having, like, I don't know if we can do, like, a hovering icon so you can see it better, because that's, like, a lot more difficult. What I wanted to do, which I need to... I mean, I'm probably going to add it quite a bit later. It's probably going to be 0.4 type of things, but I wanted to add watches to players, so when you're holding a two-handed gun, you can see it, or it would add like an overlay somewhere in your HUD. And one of the, like, there could be like a technological watch that can alert you if there's a grenade within your vicinity, or you are in line of sight of a grenade, something like that. I meant to join multiplayer. I'll show you in a second, because I already stupidly jumped into single player. And also I'm going to try to craft a gun just in case it's like not working for whatever dumb reason. We have Misc, where you can throw a bunch of different grenades. Yeet. 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 You can throw the light grenade further. It also bounces a bit more. The M67 also has a longer fuse, so you can, like, hold it. The M67 does more damage and has a longer fuse. You see, but the radius is very large, so you can fragment a lot of entities at once. The light grenade is, like, cheaper. You can hold more of them. Much smaller radius, but you can still throw it pretty far. It'll probably even be, like, increased a bit more, and then the time to, like, the longer you charge it, it'll up to a maximum, give you some extended range. Something like that, yeah. No, picking up a grenade, like, that's a pain in the butt to make properly. That one's a bit of a pain in the butt. Oh, flash grenade, there'll be, like, glasses to kind of specifically a flash grenade. You'll have glasses that, like, reduces this effect in timing, but, like, that's, like, what do you call it, that's just one way I want to have, like, let's make sure grenades you get multiple K. How about a gun? 10. Seems to work fine. Fine. I can deal with that, okay. Let's test server side now. There'll be grenade animation, but, like, that's, like, grenade's just already fine, honestly. You take grenade, you, like, what do you call it? Don't chamber it, but, like, you kind of get ready to throw it, and then you throw it. like that's what you do with a grenade, the animation as well. So in my opinion, that's like super low priority. We can wait for a while before having a need to build it. It's already like, what do you call it? 1.18, we're gonna fully, craft gun, make sure that works. We're gonna fully expand like the animation system, so there'll be more than like just guns that can be animated. Like you'll be able to animate like melee weapons. You'll be able to animate like eating or healing, repairing. Like armor repairing will be an animation instead of just a what do you call it? A timing bar. Also, I fixed the what do you call it? Crafting glitch. So that's another bug from 1.18 down. Gun waifu, Jesus. Jeez, man. I ain't gonna stop you. That's for sure. Whatever gets you playing TaC. What do you call it? Fixed workbench. Fixed keybinds. Keybinds. Logical error. Let's say logical error. What else did I do? I did enough. Oh wow, I just suddenly felt like really sick for a moment. Jesus Christ. I'm like, I have half my ear cups on, probably that. Ugh. Alright, we got that. We need to go to 1.16 real quick. 1.16, yeah, we need to go to 1.16 real quick. We need to steal. We must steal us a lovely Mark 20 sound effect. Oh, the server's still up. That wouldn't even make sense. Gotta blow that up. Alright, what the hell did I need to do? Yeah, I don't need the guns from here. Yeah, okay, we can just go here. Assets, TaC, sounds. Well, it's gonna be sounds.json. So let's copy this here for a sec. And then sounds for the Mark 18, which is gonna be item Mark 18. What the hell am I talking about? Copy the desktop. This is gonna save these two. Then we're gonna swap the branch over. Maybe the gun as well, actually. Might. No, if we already don't hear it, then it's, yeah, the sounds. Okay. I'm like brain farting nonstop. Can already go back to 1.18, just copy paste. If not override these sounds. Yeah, I don't see them in the list at all. Dump them there. Updated the others, but not the one we need. Great. Yeah, just replace it. It should not hurt. Oh, we'll see in the diff before I like delete it. No deletions. Great. So we can delete these from my desktop. Let's test if the Mark 20 now has sounds in 1.18 and ooh, no. Crap. I made a boo-boo. I made a big boo-boo. Fixed. That neck is like all messed up actually. Oh, I spent so much time on like literally all, okay, other than the morning, I spent like all day on devices and like either it was work or setting up, what do you call it, the poo laptop, the laptop I picked from the trash is like fully functional. Battery life is nice. I watched a movie on it with my family. Um, the damn thing is really fast. I used it as a test bed to install my old favorite game, and it ran it flawlessly 4K 60. It was an amazing demo, and it's missing some keys. It needs to be cleaned out a little bit more, like the screen. But damn thing is trucking with a third-party power supply too, because I couldn't find the official one of the garbage. So new capability. So now if I ever end up leaving my home for whatever reason, I can drag it with me, and I am still capable of, you know, doing work. I'm gonna wait a little bit, probably like another week or so. There's a problem with the fan I'm gonna try to fix. Maybe I'll even try to fix the what do you call it, the heating sensor, not heating sensor, fuck you call it, temperature sensor on the CPU. It's a little bit wonky donkey. Makes the fan spin really high and really low when nothing is happening. Yo, Life, I think that's your YouTube account, right? Welcome. Also, if anyone is like listening to a nice, like, chill, they call it, music playlist, like, feel free to send some recommendations or something. Because I have, like, most of my songs are like actual songs, and they're also copyright. So on stream, I have, like, what do you call it, a pretty limited set currently. I mean, that works. Oh, what did I launch? Oh, I launched the game to test the Mark 20 before I push the change. You could change the sound to this. I'll keep it for now, mostly because I don't have anything to replace it with, other than just redefining the Scar H sound again. It's like it's like literally a completely different sound. It's not like a more deeply attenuated Scar H. Cool. I remember your YouTube name now. Let's go. I'm not 16. I'd like to change it. I'll probably eventually change the Mark 20 sound as well. I have just enough understanding in sound engineering, and I have some software to like help. Pretty much like we already have the Scar H sound, right? So instead of rebuilding the sound entirely, we can just slightly adjust it to make it have like a deeper tone and last a bit longer in the fade or some shit. I don't know what the last not echo. There's another word for it, and it's not fade, because fade's like a pleb word, but I can't think of the good stuff, so whatever. Curio compat capability provider. Oh crap! This is what you're trying to get working. Right. Okay. So probably rig helper, rig modifier helper. We should have just rig helper. There's a wearable helper. Player worn rig. Backpack. I don't know why we call it backpack here. Else ammo handler. All defaults. Modified durability. Yep. So I need to actually see where the hell we get like inventory util. Is this what we use? Did you touch anything from here? No, this is for separate shit. And this is, oh yeah, whatever. That's actually cool stuff, but that's like really low level. UTR. Oh crap! Upgrade table stuff. I remember now. It should not be called just UTR. It should be like more descriptive. It's dumb. I just called it UTR. That's my fault. All right. Let's actually let's get in the zone. So pretty much should be like some reloader. I mean, I know that we send the event to the server from HUD, so we can check from here. Jitter screen, blah, 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 blah. He's repairing armor worn rig. Get shader color. Da, da, da. Oh, this is actually. This will probably actually fix the weird looking like rig colors. So it'll set like one half and one, so just being like bright AF the entire way. And each tick. Oh, I see what I'm okay. I just felt sick again for a moment. I had to take a deep breath. All right. If we have gun item in hand, which is the whole rig, okay, yeah, whatever. Calculate the reserve ammo that we have without the rig, and then we send message client to rig. Get this projectile. We don't even need to do this anymore. Use location, and then we add the count. Okay, so let's see. This goes in. Needs to respond with something for sure. Like it can't just player worn rig doesn't equal null. Get the worn rig, and if it doesn't equal null, message rig inventory to client from the server from the player's connection play to client. Otherwise, it just sends empty, which should just be 0. Gun ammo count in rig. Why is it such a fat? Okay, well, let's see. This count. Sure, okay. This count. Find ammo rig only. Let me see. Refactored for internal multiple stack. It's actually what it's supposed to do. This is not what we use for getting ammo from the rig to reload. We just use this to get the count. So okay, yeah, it'll go to the stacks. If it doesn't equal null and doesn't equal empty, and the count doesn't already equal 0, and it is the ammo we're looking for, then plus equals to count, return it, pass it along. Then when we actually get called to handle this, so this is already received by the client. So update rig in. Why do we do both in case I manage to adjust counts an accident? Message with coffee. Message that. Whoa. What is this like inline crap? I want to do this. Message get only reset rig count. What the fuck? Reset. Well, I don't use this, so never. I don't need that ever. No. If this is true, it does this and nothing else. Great. So it's gonna set the reserve count to 0. Then it's gonna add it. And then it adds it here as well. Well, I send if he's in creative, the return guys don't show anything. not do this whole thing. Let's see. An ammo count and rig. Just find rig ammo only. Get share tag. Oh, get share tag. Gee, that puts storage. Armor rig capability. So yours said he refactored this to use the standard Curios capability. No, I do not think he did. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. Oh, Jesus. Let's see if this helps. We should have Curios like working. I think this is the last major bug that 1.18 has. That at least I know of. Or care about doing at this exact moment. I don't know what to think. Man, I just think someone's sick setup. It's not like, what do you call it, mine ain't better. I got a better computer setup. It's called one that makes the product. Done nice and fast. Alright, let me think. What the hell did I want to do? Oh, rigs. Crap. Yes. Get some ammo for these bad boys. It's a 50 AE. Put all of it in there. Game mode, survival. No, we shall wear it. Ah, crap, it makes it like half opaque. That's not part of the plan. It doesn't actually get it, which is cool. Can I reload from it? No, which means that it's everything your did with this, with the capability, is slightly kind of very broken. Let's get to work. Crap. No, crap, man. So I probably already know what's wrong, and I would like to just fix it. Repair current. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So there's gonna be, I don't know if there's gonna be, but I have like text so that you can actually restore a portion, like a percentage of the armor per tick. So someone can have like a repair station from like Division. You can like throw it at someone. It'll like place a block wherever it lands, and then it'll like heal everyone's TaC armor like over time. Sort of like regeneration. That is something I am pretty completely forgot about, but I did build that in. I just spotted it. I'm like, what the hell am I looking at? That is what I'm looking at. It's actually not going to be in clients. It should be just in main. I'm gonna break my shoulder. BPV, priority, high AF. Script Curios slot. On client setup. Armor render, armor cure render. That's potentially cool. Capability setup. Yeah, okay. Best layer render. Set up new. Shape recipe, assess for the recipe gen. These actually should be set up with the given capability. So if I go to rig provider, maximum 90 slots. So he tagged this. What did he change the serialization? Let's see if there's any errors with me trying to use. Okay, well, lots of unknown packets. Oh, maybe this isn't set properly. Reload tracker tries to send it. I mean, it could be this since it's like per tick. Port handle. Rig in to client, and then we have the other way around where it should be as is to client. Wait, client rig. Oh, one of these needs to be to server, and the other one doesn't need to be to server. All right, this one's to server, which yeah, server, cool. And then it responded. Okay. Okay. It's the problem again. Huh. So if it's always 0, that means that yo, what's up, Rasiki? Good morning. Well, good morning for you. It is 12, actually 12:01 for me. It just got like it just turned nighttime. Yeah, well, it's text only. So getting it from shared text. So I don't think crap, I need to see what we do in 1.16. We should be able to just do the same capability handling that we do from 1.16. I think Yor tried to make it work better with Curios or something, but like I don't see it, honestly. Inventory gear. Wait. Inventory gear armor. Or capability provide. Actually, it could all be like here now. Okay, so yeah. Capability IMO handler. Okay, cool. So container. Thinking, yeah, good evening, man. Yeah, just late, just tired. All different like stack slots. Well, reload tracker doesn't also seem to work because I don't know if the capability is actually attached to the items. So, like, I don't know if I actually ever do that. So it's like here. I would see it in armor rig item. It should be somewhere here. Armor model name. So, yeah, that's nuked. So when you use it, opens network, open GUI, super then use. Okay, and the capability is Curios the other. Return backpack provider. Gunmod Curios is loaded. Create backpack provider. Get capability Curio. Get Curio capability. For now, I'm gonna see if it works like this without using create backpack provider. Then I'm just gonna push it for 1.18 for now. I'm gonna try to get pure Curios working after. I'm actually really surprised, like, that the NPCs have such a limitation. Because you definitely need to be able to, like, specify, like, for example, if you had, like, attachments, like, if you want to add any attachments or you want to apply crystal binding to the attachments for each gun, you have to have the enchantments, like, tag for every single thing. Like, I'm really surprised that the NPCs mod that you're using doesn't support, like, adding more complex commands. Have you checked in if there's any documentation they have for, like, using command blocks to target like their tasks? Like, when you right click them, what commands do they run all this? There could be, like, a tool that lets you just copy paste it and let it run as and just lets it run as if the NPC was a command block. I'm just gonna say, like, I understand, like, I don't know much about the plugins and all that, but, like, having a decent command length for it's like they pretty much act as mobile command blocks, so I would sort of expect them to have, like, decent capability. I guess you cannot, because who knows what gun's gonna be out in the future. You should join the Discord to see what models we have existing and what animations we're showcasing that are ready and everything. But, like, we don't know. Crap, it still doesn't work. Oh, it ate my. That could be because that one can make sense because I swapped the provider, so it may not store it. Yeah, it stores it now. And then slash game mode survival. Nope, still doesn't pull from it. God damn it. Getting rigs to work was also a huge pain in the ass. I had it work on stream, like, at, like, one time or something. It was weird. What? And then it crashes. Index minus 999 out of... What? What the fuck? Alright. Alright, so capability provider turns to this instead. Current compliant util. Get capability provider doesn't equal null, then Curios capability item. New Curio. Let me see. Let me see. Capability provider. 18. I know they had, like, some instructions. Okay. change log latest. It's like change log. I know they had somewhere. Yeah, they had docs. So it's like change licenses. Never mind. Doesn't really add much. Just read me. Licenses. I know they had more. Really? That's it? There's nothing. Really? Ah, Christ. Oh, how to use developers. Okay, well, that's a bit better. Slot message type using Curios API. Language key, slide context, Curios type. Home. 116, 2017. Amendment triggers, frequently used slots. These pages really don't help. What is it? Cura? Just like that. What would need to be implemented for that? Jesus Christ, sometimes I have to do the entire thing. Implement as a capability. Yeah, how that's supposed to look like. Combat util curl here. Is this from Armont? It is. Jesus. Alright. Yes, so the one thing that is sort of new here is the one thing that's not working. I'll get share tag. So it'll get super, and then since it'll get item handlers capability. It's supposed to be like Curios capability provider, and then Curios capability dot. Or empty. I'm gonna try something like this. Notice cap. Here, let's try to do this. Get capability. Okay. Let's try this for now because it definitely, like, I think you tried to like mess with it a bit and didn't know just how complex this actually was. Yeah. Yeah, he'll have this like capability provided, which is supposed to help make it more simple. But so far, there's like no documentation on it, so I don't know what's so simple about it. I know like capabilities in Minecraft, it's a fucking pain in the ass, but I definitely don't know much about it. It dropped. Oh, it dropped some of the ammo, and it instantly blows up. Oh no. Yeah, it doesn't cast. Makes sense. Okay, so what can I do with the damn thing? Okay, well here I'll get this right. And can I get? Can equip from use? Get stack. Get sync. Carry break ticket attribute drop rule. Slots tilted on equip. Maybe that could work. I'm starting to like pluck at hairs here because it's not that simple. It's a share tag that actually gives out. It's the share tag that provides us the what do you call it? All the ammo counts. And since it wasn't implemented with this new Curios capability crap, I don't know, like, do we just pass it, like, get this item capability for this stack? And then it kind of figures out. Let's iCure. Yeah, I don't know much about Curios items. It would be nice to have the 18 version like working like right now. All right, let's get blown up. God damn it. I hate inventory management because now it's like all half done because we have this goddamn. It literally gets this item share tag. No shit. Sherlock. Are you serious? It literally responds with the exact same. The whole point of this is to get the item from this capability. So, like, can I get like a handler out of it? And it won't translate to this handler anyway. Just, you do normal. Do normal shit, please. None of this. I don't remember how the fuck I got this working earlier. Yeah, capability. Yeah. Oh, I got that. Yeah, you get capability, but you can cast it into this, which implements like all this crap. So I can get the slot needed. Like you could set, it'll validate if it's possible, then set it, then launch the event. So technically work, but there's a problem because this capability probably isn't even registered in main. So I think the biggest, maybe that's the issue, that we just don't register it anymore because we tried to like switch off of it. Clear Curios, so we use a Curios renderer, just like cool, whatever. Yeah, I see this big chunk of shit. Alright. Can we just import all of these and just watch it magically work? There's no register. What, you can't add new ones? Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright, maybe it was commented out for a good reason. Crap. Mess. Get Curios handler, okay. Get stacks handler, Curios rig ID if it's present. Return the rig item. Backpack set rig. Poo. Poo poo poo. Okay, well, Curios is always loaded, so I won't even respond with this anyway. Can I blame real quick? Just do some git blaming. Everything but anti would get blamed, please. All I did was touch something there. Okay, movie is player. So it seems like I actually did all this. Alright, whatever. Cursor ID. Quiet for like a good minute. When what will release fully? Times and classics to like, would the mod be like done? I don't know what you're talking about. Genuinely. Solar repair actually distracted me as well. Crap. We don't need this, or do we? this is the, okay. I was like, something's up here. It's not. But capability handling is something that is like horribly not my strong suit. I am really thinking of just blowing it all up and redoing it. Because it's like complete disarray. So your fix would currently exist, but then it like doesn't work anyway. Okay, like let's see run. Like other okay, well it's gonna blow up anyway, so we should probably try it. Yeah, because it's like always gonna do this. Now we have this, which apparently I actually made, but you're filled in what's happening here. Well, maybe you're actually seeing like a diff here. Show diff between what? That's not a very useful diff. Thank you. Those annotations. Ah, crap. Pretty much is loaded. Oh, actually, we can use this. So maybe we can use this. But we need to do this instead. We can do this. We can define T provider. I mean, provider is going to be turned into, like, this has a return, right? It responds with T. It responds with generic. Seriously. Yeah, it's like, it's not possible to do that. Has to be like this. That would work. Okay, well, I can also just call this method, and it's supposed to return me what? Like, it has a type on it still, just capability provider. So I can do X like this. Oh, well. XCat equals armor rig item dot create backpack provider. All I want is its own stack. So like rig. Okay, what the hell can I do with this capability now? Like, okay, have it, great. I don't even know. I don't use a damn thing. So we return this capability, we init this capabilities. Okay, cool. Rig slots handler. Stack of dot get capability. Oh, we can resolve. So there we can. seems that mo guns find a way to change the gun crafting UI. What do you mean? Saw who? The people that make mo guns, or what are you trying to say? This capability doesn't exist anymore. It's supposed to be like resolve.get, and then this can turn into like, is this what I can then translate to like the rig slots handler? So I expect sort of, we can see this in reload tracker, I'm pretty sure, for common. I know Moguns is a CGM add-on, but what's that have to do with us and like some kind of crafting UI? I'm confused what you're talking about. You are indeed talking about. Oh crap, I deleted what actually was talking. That's totally possible that this could work. Let's look for where rig slots handler is used. Item, I'm pretty sure it would be this. Armor rig item from in. Yeah, this is an item.get capability. So I guess it was like item like that. So we can just look from where rig slots handler is used. Import rig slots handler of the Curios, and then of, just make this the Curios, and stack. And then where else would it be used? Only those spots, a couple crashes. Let's see if that works. Maybe that's all we have to do. Very chill. Only change is going to be happening to the Thompson Classics crafting UI is it's gonna turn into a grid, so you can just choose out of a grid more easily. But that's pretty much it. We don't plan to make it anymore. Now we can't even right click to open the rig. Yeah, it can't be translated. I mean, that makes sense. I don't know what it can be translated into, though. Crap. Well, it would get, like, what is it gonna get? T. So it's generic anyway. Resolve generic. Not exactly that. What do you call it? It's not exactly that complex. What the hell did I mess up? Pressing class catch. Thinking how it's even supposed to like be integrated then. So like I know ammo, there's item handler, which is like actually a Minecraft class. This should also be Minecraft, pretty much. So like, what? Capability Cura. I mean, hell, maybe I need to implement Cura. Like, what would it like? What would it like? It doesn't need this whole thing, right? What do I have to like do all of it? Like I need to look back at this. Curious class. Well, now you can like create an item to be like a Cura, but like it's not really what I need. I don't think. Capability inventory, capability item, capability token item. So what if I API Curios helper. No, that's not what I need. Dot get iCuro helper, get Curo handler. Find Curo modifier, find Curos. Stack broken. Consumer equip Curo. What about stack Curos helper? How about we don't do that? Add slot, create slot, generate slot, shrink. Does not help. The Minecraft wiki for tags, that's not very useful. I don't know how else do I get like literally a basic handler from this goddamn, like, is it really that difficult? Probably need to at least integrate like something basic, like this item should probably be iCuro. Well, is it only need like at least one method to implement iCuro? That would be like kind of crazy. on, Curo break, Curo tick. Get leading. Read. Craft inventory. I can't. Use animation. Armor texture creator, mod ID. Manager ID, attribute. Stack. Container item. I started to think I should just be doing this tomorrow and then just be ready to like redo the entire thing instead of like trying to like half work this stupid shit. And it's complaining because now it wants to implement Curo. Well, okay. Alright, let's see something. Gotta be. Main, offhand, armor, provider, player inventory provider. Well, definitely gonna give me completely different crap from here. So what I actually would want to do is like a reload tracker, we create this. So wow. What? Just put it here and so we use that. Well, this is gonna be provided capability provider. Still needs, what do you call it? Container. What? How the fuck is this supposed to work? Like, actually now. I'm getting annoyed. So as this provider, we create this provider, container provider. Right, so we're supposed to actually now have... Ooh, it needs to be cast into something actually usable. Yeah, I think this is something I should be starting on tomorrow because this is something I need to like completely redo. I think this is like a complete this is like in complete disarray. Let me see. Can't just fucking. Alright. I think I'm just gonna. Literally, I'm nuking all these changes. Discard. Yep. I'm not even gonna stash them. Blowing them up. Let's see if we can get them working in the dev environment, because we had it kind of working in like, what do you call it, it kind of already was working. What the hell was it? Yeah, I'm so sure it kind of already was working when I did the 1.18 stream. So it may already be like kind of there, but it could be missing something like small. Probably gonna end up just going to bed. It's already like 12:48, and I want to actually like get this done properly. This is the one part that in 1.16 it like completely I had like terrible time wasting amounts of just pain dealing with like inventory capabilities on the deliciousness. So at least it's there. Yeah, so it's unseen. I bet it won't error. Yeah, okay, so unseen, great. Before we close the entire game, let's check if there's anything. Nothing at all. It just responds with nothing. Maybe there's something wrong with the packet. I mean, we can take a look in. Ah, shit. I don't know where that where this is coming from. We don't have it defined as a container. Oh, there's armor test. Okay. Armor container. I was gonna cry. I'm like, what? I probably could just translate to item stock handler instead of armor rig handler. Whatever. I don't think this is actually one that's working. So yeah, I kind of wanted to check like it's over network. Yeah, I'm no. I want to test check to make sure this all gets built properly. I don't exactly know where this is occurring from. It would be nice to know. I don't know how to actually since it's warnings, I don't know when they are called, so they can literally occur at any point. I probably need to like debug in some way. It's for tomorrow. I need to do this tomorrow. Like, I'm like running myself ragged. I'm not gonna gain anything. I'm like, yeah, I'm not. I'm going to bed, guys. Best wishes to everyone. To the Patreon support TaC, but I'm like completely out of it. I'm spent. What we're gonna do tomorrow, I'm gonna blow up everything to do with rig inventory. I'm gonna try to rebuild it from scratch from 1.18 using the Curios capability provider. I have some time tomorrow. I have a couple hours. Probably may do it on stream. What probably gonna happen is I try to build it. If I don't have it done, I should get it done, and once I have it done, then I may stream. Or maybe I'll stream like currently working 1.18 stuff, because everything else other than rigs sort of work. If rigs is the only problem, and I can ask the team tomorrow, if they don't really care, we may just do an alpha release with an asterisk over the compatibility for the armored rigs. I fuck with that. I gotta clean out my fucking room. It's also a mess after searching for some stuff. So, I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, guys. Sleep well. Best wishes. Love from the Thomas team.